Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial video. And in today's video I will be guiding you how to fix Instagram story zoom problem. Now without any further ado, let's get started with this video. If you are experiencing issues with zooming on Instagram stories, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try. First and foremost, make sure that you have the latest version of Instagram application on your mobile device. For that, open up the Google Play Store on your device. On the search bar, search for Instagram. And if you see an update option where I have opened, simply update your application on your device. Once it gets updated, open up the application. And if that still doesn't help, then try clearing the cache for the Instagram application. For that, open up the settings, tap on apps. From here, tap on see all apps and search for Instagram. Then tap on Instagram. Once you land on app info page of Instagram, there you will get storage and cache option. Tap on there. There you will get two buttons, clear storage and clear cache. From there, make sure you tap on clear cache. That will get rid of the junk file of Instagram on your mobile device, which might help you to solve the problem. Again, open up the Instagram and check whether the problem is solved or not. If clearing cache doesn't work, then you can simply uninstall the application from your device. Once you uninstall that, again reinstall that from Google Play Store. This can sometimes resolve more persistent issue. And if still doesn't help, simply restart your device, then open up the Instagram and your problem will be solved. So these are all the troubleshooting steps that you can try out to fix Instagram story zoom problem. I hope this video was helpful. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon so that you will not miss any other further updates from our channel. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.